Excuse me. Hello?
Hello, ma'am. How can I help you today?
Hi, I think my flight is delayed.
Okay, let me check for you. Can I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Yes, of course. Sorry, 1 second. My bag is so messy today.
No problem at all.
Here you are.
Thank you. Let me see here. Yes, your flight to Chicago is delayed.
Oh no. I was really afraid of that.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
What happened?
There is heavy rain and strong wind tonight. A lot of flights are delayed right now.
So, the plane cannot leave now?
That's correct.
Oh, wow. I've already been at the airport for 2 hours.
I understand. Airports can be stressful on days like this.
Yeah, and I didn't sleep much last night either.
I'm sorry to hear that.
How long is the delay?
Right now, it looks like about 3 hours.
3 hours? That's a really long time.
Yes, I know.
I have an important meeting tomorrow morning in Chicago.
Oh, I see.
My boss is coming from New York, and we have a big meeting at 9 in the morning.
That sounds important.
Yeah, I really don't want to be late.
I completely understand. Let me see if there are any other flights tonight.
Really? That would be amazing.
Let me check.
Anything available?
There is one more flight later tonight.
Oh, really?
Yes, but it is almost full.
Oh no. Do you think there's still a chance for me?
I will try my best.
I will try my best.
You're welcome. Let me refresh the system. Okay, good news.
Oh?
There is one seat available.
Seriously?
Yes,
That's wonderful. You just saved my trip.
I'm happy to help.
Can you put me on that flight?
Yes, I can change your ticket for free because of the weather delay.
That's so nice. Thank you.
No problem at all.
What time does the new flight leave?
At 11:45 p.m.
Okay. That's still pretty late.
Yes, but it should arrive in Chicago early in the morning.
That's good. I think I can still make my meeting.
I hope so too.
And what gate is the flight leaving from?
Gate 18.
Gate 18. Is that far from here?
Not too far, maybe a 7-minute walk.
Okay, good. I was worried I needed to take the airport train or something.
No, not this time.
When does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 11:05 p.m.
Perfect.
Here is your new boarding pass.
Thank you very much for your help.
My pleasure.
The airport is really busy tonight.
Yes, bad weather days are always difficult.
I can see that. Do you work late every day?
Sometimes. Airports are busy almost all the time.
That must be tiring.
It can be, but I meet a lot of interesting people.
That's true. Hopefully most passengers are nice.
Most of them are. Some people get upset during delays, but that's understandable.
Yeah, travel can be stressful.
Especially during bad weather.
Definitely.
Do you have any other questions?
Actually, yes. Where can I get coffee?
There's a coffee shop near Gate 18.
That sounds perfect right now.
They also have sandwiches and snacks there.
Oh, good. I haven't eaten dinner yet.
Then you should definitely grab something before boarding.
I think I will. Coffee first, then maybe a sandwich.
That sounds like a good plan.
Hopefully the coffee is strong.
You'll probably need it for a late flight.
Very true.
Well, I hope your trip goes smoothly after this.
Me too. And thank you again for being so helpful.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice evening.
You too, ma'am. Safe travels.
Thanks. Bye.
Goodbye.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Please, tell me I'm not too late.
Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here. Sorry, I ran all the way here.
Flight MA405 to London?
Yes, that's my flight.
I'm sorry, sir.
No.
The gate closed 10 minutes ago.
What? 10 minutes?
Yes?
Oh no. This is terrible.
I understand this is stressful.
I can't believe this. I ran so fast.
I can see that. You look very tired.
Yeah, I think I ran through the whole airport.
This airport is very large.
My first flight was delayed.
Oh, I see.
And then I got lost.
That happens sometimes.
I even took the airport train to the wrong terminal.
Oh, no.
Yeah. I saw Terminal C and I thought that was correct. But I needed Terminal B.
That can definitely be confusing.
And my phone battery almost died too.
That sounds like a very stressful day.
It really is. I just want to get to London.
Are you traveling for work or vacation?
For work.
Oh,
I have a meeting tomorrow afternoon.
that's important.
Very important. My company has an office in London.
I understand.
Please, can they open the gate again?
I'm afraid I can't do that.
But the plane is still there.
Yes, but the boarding process is already finished.
Oh man, I really missed it.
I'm very sorry.
This is the worst travel day ever.
I know days like this can be difficult.
Yeah. And I didn't even eat lunch today.
Oh no, that makes everything feel worse.
Definitely.
Would you like me to check for another flight?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Let me see what's available tonight.
Really?
Yes,
That's amazing.
but there is an extra fee.
Oh. How much?
$200.
Ouch. That hurts.
Ouch. That hurts.
Well, I don't really have a choice.
Would you like me to book it for you?
Yes, please.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Okay. You are confirmed on the new flight.
Thank goodness. You saved me.
I'm happy I could help.
What gate is the new flight?
Your new gate is B16.
B16. Okay, I'm going there very early this time.
That's probably a good idea.
Trust me, I learned my lesson today.
Sometimes airports teach us patience.
That's true. And maybe better time management, too.
Maybe a little.
When does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 7:50 p.m.
Okay, I'll probably go there now.
That sounds smart.
Can I ask one more thing?
Sure.
Where's the nearest coffee shop?
It's right across from gate B16.
Perfect. I think I need 3 coffees after this day.
I completely understand.
And maybe a sandwich, too.
That sounds like a good idea.
I'm finally starting to relax a little.
That's good.
Thank you again for helping me. You were very kind.
You're very welcome, sir.
I hope the next part of my trip is easier.
I hope so too. Have a good flight tonight.
Thanks. Have a nice evening.
You too.
Wow, this airplane is so big.
Hello. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Of course.
You're in seat 12B.
Is this the right seat?
Yes, it is.
Great. This is actually my first flight.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
That's completely normal.
I've never been on a plane before.
Well, you're doing great already.
Thank you. I watched videos online before coming here,
That's smart.
but everything feels different in real life.
I understand. The first flight is always special.
Do people usually feel nervous?
Oh, yes, many people do.
That actually makes me feel better.
You're definitely not alone.
Good. There are so many people here.
Yes, this flight is almost full today.
Wow.
Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I am.
Where are you flying to?
To New York.
That's exciting.
I'm going there for a job interview.
Oh, wow. Good luck. I hope it goes well.
Thanks. I'm excited, but also scared.
I understand. Job interviews can feel stressful.
Yeah. And now I'm nervous about the interview and the flight.
That's a lot for one day.
It really is.
What kind of job is it?
It's an office job.
That sounds nice.
I hope so. It's my first interview in a big city.
New York can feel busy at first, but it's exciting too.
I've always wanted to visit New York.
You'll probably love it.
I hope I can see Times Square.
A lot of visitors go there first.
Really?
Yes, and the food there is amazing too.
Oh, I definitely want pizza.
That's a very good choice.
Can I ask something?
Of course.
What if the plane shakes a lot?
A little shaking is normal sometimes.
So it's safe?
Yes, very safe.
Okay. That makes me feel better.
The pilots are very experienced.
That's good to know.
And if you need anything during the flight, just let me know.
Thank you. That's very kind.
You're welcome.
Don't worry too much.
Oh,
I fly all the time.
really?
Yes. And honestly, I still get nervous sometimes.
You do?
A little.
That actually helps.